On this video we are going to show you how to remove the radio navigation touchscreen from Toyota Camry 2019, which is similar to some other years. The tools that you need is this 10mm socket and plus dashboard removal tool. And the first is by the way, we already made everything loose. This is just for the demonstration only. The first step, you just remove this bezel around the radio, and these are the clips which when you insert your tool, you just insert it next to these clips so it would pop out easily. Now we remove this piece on the passenger side. You just have to insert your hand in there and just pull it forward, and these are the clips which are holding this cover. And this step, you put your tool underneath this cover and then just pry it out. And these are the clips which hold in this cover. And in this step, you remove the AC control. You just have to pop it out. Does not have any screws. And once you get this one out, then all of the screws for the radios are exposed. They are size 10mm. But before that one, you need to remove this cover next to the ignition key. And in the last step, you just remove the bolts. They are 10mm. There's 4 of them. And now you can grab the radio and then pull it out. But in order to do that, make sure you insert your hand all the way to the corner on the right hand side, so it won't break, because it's very fragile. And then just pull the radio forward. Yeah. And these are the connectors in the back, which you need to remove in order to get the radio. And if you need any repair for this radio, for the touch screen, radio, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.